into the face of the motherfucking dead. Got a couple body bags underneath the shed. This a fucking massacre, I'm living for the dare. Thought you should know that life isn't fair. Talking that shit as I empty the clip. All these rappers, they thinking they flipping these bricks. Dumb motherfucker, I'm taking your shit. Go to the crib, then I'm fucking my bitch. Bitch, I pull up with a triple six. Making sure I blow up on my brother, we exist. Silly little rapper, these chicks aren't for kids. Every day closer, making me reminisce. All of these pussy boys can suck on my dick. Trying to flex, but they never lick the clit. Working through the struggle, still making these hits. They hoping that we fail, but we never gon' quit.
Hey, so what's up guys? It's my first time I think talking in this video, but got some wheels. Badoom. Just kidding, can't really see that. Badoom? Kinda can see that. Well, I lowered my front a crazy amount and it feels lowered. Here are the wheels. The rear ones are more concave because it's a staggered set. These are 10.5, 18 by 10.5, and the back ones are 18 by 11.5. They're slightly lower offset by maybe like half an inch, but I still do gotta get bigger spacers, but at least now I can, because these are 18s, and I lowered the front another inch, and I know you can't tell, but the car looks way lower than it used to be, just because of 18s, because it's lower by an inch, just simply because of the tires and the wheel. But now I can actually get spacers. Yeah, that's better. As I said before, it would hit right there, but now it won't. Yeah, 1552s. I'm just gonna go quickly go to the bank because I gotta deposit some cash, but I'm gonna do some videos in the parking lot because it has light. Cause I just want to show this to you guys and see how it looks. I got these wheels for $1,000 with brand new Continental all-season sport tires, basically brand new. My rear ones were shot over here, but yeah, and then I sold my old wheels for $800, so I did like 7-8 hours of driving today. Some of you joined in on the live stream, so thanks for that. But yeah, just decided to change some stuff up with the car just so I can kind of like it again, if that makes sense. But I'm just going to go through on the front bumper because couldn't get the jack under the subframe without it. Definitely could not now because this thing is low. So, makes me so sad I never drive this car anymore because of the cold. What's on the right side if something fell off? Well, it's now in the header. I think I can only cover it. Yeah,
To the face of the motherfucking dead. Got a couple body bags underneath the shed. This a fucking massacre, I'm living for the dare. Thought you should know that life isn't fair. Talking that shit as I empty the clip. All these rappers, they thinking they flipping these bricks. Dumb motherfucker, I'm taking your shit. Go to the crib, then I'm fucking my bitch. Bitch, I pull up with a triple six. Making sure I blow up on my brother, we exist.
I think it looks pretty damn good. It definitely needs to be lower in the front, although it's pretty damn low. If you heard that coming out of the driveway, it bottomed out completely on the exhaust and everything in the center. Front bumper didn't scrape, but the front bumper is way lower now. It was a lot higher before. Whew, it is cold out here. Yeah, this looks crazy. It does need bigger spacers, but that can be fixed now that they're 18s, not 19s. Like I said, most of these kits are made for 18s, and the tires are fatter too, a little bit meatier, which I like too. I just wish I had what the fronts are or what the rears are in the front, because those are more concave than the fronts, and I think they would look really good in the front. Like if it was all 11.5 all around, which I could actually fit. So yeah. So it doesn't rub. I have finally full turning radius, which is dope. I haven't had full turning radius in like over a year now. It's wonderful being able to make U-turns and stuff easily like a normal car. Yeah, I really love it. Let me know what you think in the comments, if you like it, if you don't like it. Yeah. Hopefully we'll make more videos soon, but right now it's really cold. I'm gonna go deposit my money in the bank, and I'm gonna go out to eat now. And hopefully you like it. Throw this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, etc, etc. I'm trying to do more. The next step with this car is definitely gonna be we're gonna make poly windows for the doors with slider kit, but we're gonna make them removable poly windows, so in the summer in Arizona and stuff, once I move there, I can take them off whenever I feel like it. Yeah. This looks dope. I really like the rear too, because those are 295/35s, so the side profile is much more beefier and it fits really nicely. But the fronts are 255/35, so they're slacking. That definitely needs like a thicker tire, because literally if that tire was just beefier, it would fill up that fender well and it would look perfect, but they're kind of thin. This was kind of on like a stance car before, or at least the fronts were kind of for it. I'll put a picture. Pumpkin E92 is his Instagram. It's like a wide body E92 that was orange with these wheels on it, but now he's going Pandem. He's a cool dude. I met him at a BMW Cars and Coffee thing. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.